Hey there, everyone. Today, I want to shed light on a serious issue that might surprise you. Imagine this: a toddler poisoned by lead paint. It's a terrifying thought, right? But this is exactly what happened to a young child named Maya in Hull, according to her mother, who wants to raise awareness. Now, you might be thinking, how is this even possible? Well, let's dive in. Lead paint, as many of us may not know, was banned in the UK back in 1992. But here's the catch: it's still lurking in older properties. This is a crucial detail because toddlers, as any parent knows, explore the world with their mouths. They bite and chew on things, and if there's lead paint around, it can be a recipe for disaster. What makes this situation even more alarming is that lead dust can also be released into the air during renovations. So it's not just about eating paint chips. The UK Health Security Agency has warned that lead exposure in children can lead to lower IQ, behavioral issues, and nerve damage. These are serious long-term consequences that no parent wants for their child. Personally, I find it shocking that something as seemingly innocent as old paint can pose such a significant health risk. It's a stark reminder of the hidden dangers in our environment. The mother's statement about the irreversibility of lead poisoning is a sobering thought. Once the damage is done, it's done. This raises questions about the long-term impact on Maya's health and development. In my opinion, this story highlights the importance of awareness and education. Many people might not even consider lead paint as a potential hazard, but it's these hidden dangers that can have the most profound effects. This case should serve as a wake-up call for parents, homeowners, and authorities to take proactive measures. Regular checks for lead paint in older homes, especially those with young children, could become a standard practice to prevent such tragedies. The good news is that this mother's bravery in sharing her story can help others. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes the most dangerous things are those we don't even think about. So let's spread the word and ensure that no more toddlers are unknowingly exposed to such risks. Stay vigilant and keep learning about these hidden dangers. Our children's health and future depend on it.